What's up, man? What's up? You gotta be Verizon. You gotta be Verizon, man. You came here too quick. Yep, that's me. Verizon, the fastest speed anybody can get. But you pretty fast yourself, though. You pretty fast yourself, AT&T. Yeah, you can see I'm pretty fast. You know, I ain't too fast, you know, but I'm up there. You know, I ain't up there with you though. You know, sound like. Who that? I don't know, bro. I was about to ask you that. What's your name, man? T. Bro, that's T-Mobile, man. It's T-Mobile. I should have known. Slow as hell. I should have known. Mo. Bo. It's crazy how we be slowing down our connection on purpose, just to mess with our consumers. These other companies' connections just really be slow. That junk is crazy. Like, they really be doing that. Junk is crazy. That junk kind of sad. Look at him. It gotta be done, man. It gotta be done. Let me go mess up Lennar Wi-Fi real quick. Hold on, don't do that, man. Don't do that, man, like that. Gosh, man, dang, bro. What? Verizon, bro. What's up? Oh my fucking God. Verizon, what is up with the internet, bro? Put it back, bro. Put it back, man. He ain't. Gosh, man, what's wrong with the internet, bro? My LTE not even working, man. Yeah. Let me turn it back on. Let me turn it back on before you call Verizon. Let me turn it back on before you call Verizon. Now that junk wanna work. Now I wanna work. All right. You know what? That's crazy. Now I wanna work. Yo. What was that? What was that? Bro, what was that? What was that? Bro, what is going on? Bro, what is this? What provider is this? Okay, that gotta be Sprint, because that service is non-existent. The way he glitching right now, yeah, that gotta be Sprint. That has to be Sprint. You lagging, bro. You lagging. This really sucks. What's up? Yeah, we can't hear a word you saying right now. Can y'all hear me now? All right, bro, we can hear you now, man. Thank God. What's up, man? All right, man. I'm out, bro. I'm out. I can't.